Get acquainted with the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.